Hello, my name is Dr. Madeleine and I'm a trainer in something that I've developed called Neuroscience and Satir in the sand tray. And this way of working is based in neuroscience of Stephen Porges, Bonnie Badenoch, Dan Siegel, Alan Shore. And I've combined that with the work of Virginia Satir in the sand tray. And the reason why I've done that is because the scientists are saying that this work has to be done in the metaphor. We can't just talk about things, we have to do it metaphorically, because that's how past experiences are actually stored in the unconscious. And so we can elicit the unconscious by choosing figurines and moving them around in the sand tray. And the other key piece from Porges' work is how we create safety. And so safety in the sand tray, not just between the therapist and the client, but in the sand tray. So in these workshops, you learn how to transform trauma, shame, depression, anxiety, all of those illnesses, if you like, that diseases that we have in our clients, all through the sand tray. Because this is attachment-based work, it's shame-based work, it's trauma-based work. And you will find that there are profound lasting effects for your clients like you have never seen before.